And we're back with another episode of ACTV, the show where we bring you the best of what's happening around the college. We've got lots lined up for you this week, from the head of the river to the new clubs and opportunities at the junior school. But first, let's start the day with a cup of coffee, the best way to start the day. There's been lots brewing behind the scenes at Holy Ground Coffee Van. Luke Bertini reports.
Recently, a new coffee van has opened at Aquinas called Holy Ground Coffee. Holy Ground Coffee operates out of a van, allowing it to move around the school. Regular locations, however, see it stationed near the hockey pavilion or the junior school side of the swimming pool.
Holy Ground Coffee was born of us thinking about a place where parents can meet. And it's holy ground because our core values are reverence, respect and kindness. And also because we're trying to make the most heavenly coffee with the best ingredients and the best training to produce coffee that you wouldn't be able to get anywhere else with love.
Holy Ground Coffee gives Year 11 and 12 students some more work experience opportunities by letting them work in the van.
You know, using boys' free time before and after school and on weekends with PSA Sport to get some work experience is really good. Gets us ready for the hospitality industry. Love working with the guys here, it's a great team.
The van is not for profit. Funds raised goes towards helping future students attend Aquinas.
Holy Ground Coffee seems like the perfect place for all to meet. Luke Bettini, ACTV.
Last week, we enjoyed the pinnacle of the rowing season, the 2021 Head of the River. There was a mighty weight placed on the broad shoulders of our rowers who gave it their all. Nolan Robertson headed down to the banks of Champions Lake to capture the action.
As Head of the River quickly approached, the boys trained as hard as they could, knowing they had a chance to break the 20-year losing streak of Aquinas rowing. Rowing is a difficult sport and not for everyone. Last week, I headed down to the River Centre to see what Mr. Collins thinks about this year of rowing.
I think it's great for strength of character. I think as a personal development as a teenage boy, our real process down here is faith, character, excellence, and I think with rowing that's where we're at the moment. It's more than just early mornings, it's a whole development as a young man.
With amazing results from all the boys all season, results for Head of the River were looking better than ever. Despite all their hard work, however, results were not as expected. The first 8 were disappointed, with Scotch winning the Champions Cup. Although Aquinas ended up in second place for the Hamer Cup, the 2021 rowing season has been an amazing effort from all the boys, especially the Year 10s, with both A's and B's winning their races on Saturday. With the rowing season over for this year, the boys are hoping to win next year.
It was a hot day at Champion Lakes. All the teams rowed well. Congratulations to all the boys. Nolan Robinson, ACTV.
There's been a major expansion in the co-curricular activities available for junior school students, with new clubs starting this term. David Scott reports.
The junior school added junior school clubs this year to their co-curricular program.
The Junior School Art Club started in term 1, so at the beginning of the term we had every Wednesday, we have all years from the junior school come to visit us for an hour.
Art Club is one of the many clubs available to students.
Well, they're very engaging and they help you learn more stuff.
Junior school clubs allow boys to take new opportunities.
Well, in this case, the kids are all different years working together, so they get to learn how to cooperate with each other, see what the differences are between the older kids and the younger kids, gives the older kids an opportunity to help and look after the younger boys, and the younger boys an opportunity to interact with kids that are much older than themselves.
So far, the junior school clubs have been a success. David Scott, ACTV.
Thanks for watching another episode of ACTV. Join us next time as we shoot around with the Prendeville Council. See you then.